So we know one of the biggest problems for companies, especially SMEs, it's selling more. In this video, I want to go and show you guys a project that I'm currently doing of how we have combined automation and AI to generate more outreach. At the end of the day, there's 4 things we can do basically to create more awareness, which normally means more leads. And the more leads you have, you get more sales calls and then you end up converting more. The first one is content generation. Second one is paid ads. Third one is outreach. So you have a couple of options here. You can use LinkedIn or you can use email. And the fourth one is referrals. How do we combine automation and AI to generate more leads using outreach and generate massive volume here? So basically, we have this process here that I'm going to walk you through. And the only manual input the user does is a weekly form submission where they can filter by job position, revenue, industry, and region. And that means whether you want to target Europe or other countries. User is submitting the form. This is what happens. Automatically, it applies the filters and it starts to script automatically companies on those filters, right? So companies plus personas because we are filtering by job position. Then we enrich the prospect data. So we get everything using different data enrichers like Apollo, Better Contact, and others. Then we do 2 things. We verify the emails and we enrich with more data points. So once we know that that email is valid, then we will start to verify with, we will start to scrape or enrich LinkedIn data, and not only from the prospect, but as well from the company. With this data, we are going to be able to generate super personalized emails at scale. And then the prospect is going to feel that that email is actually someone took time to write it instead of getting like a template like 99% of the people are doing nowadays. So first, before we generate the emails, we need to give some context to the AI model, right? So we're giving here some information about what the company does, which kind of customers they are serving right now, and what was actually like the biggest wins to those customers. And by this, we mean how much they are saving for using their software, what's like the real benefits, how much hours, so something which is quantifiable. So the prospect that we're targeting can really feel that their competition are already doing this, and there's something which is positive from having a meeting with the guy who's targeting me. So once we have that, the AI will start to generate every email based on everything that we've created before, right? So we have position, we have a lot of data, and then we will have different angles. So here you can be as creative as you want. You can have 4, you can have 10, you can have even 20. Right now for this project we are starting with 4, but probably we will expand as we see what is working and what is not, right? First, we create 1 email, completely AI generated, plus 2 follow-ups, which are also completely AI generated. So basically what we do, we take the previous email, we generate the follow-up with all the personalization and all the data that we have from the prospect. When we have that, we create 4 different campaigns. We create 1 with angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, and that's going to be important, super important afterwards, because then we are collecting all the data in a personalized dashboard we've done, so we can really analyze which kind of data is working best and which data is not working that well. Once we have that, we will launch the cold email campaign, and we are using SmartLead for this software. The reason why we are using SmartLead, first of all, is a great tool, and second of all, the APIs are really, really good. So that really enables me to launch everything with a click of a button by navigating through the API, and I don't need to touch a single button within the interface. Then once we have the campaign and we've sent the first email to the prospect is automatically added to LinkedIn campaign using HeyReach, which also super good software. If you're looking to automate your LinkedIn outreach, you can think about a lot of crazy ideas that you can do. So basically here what we are doing, as soon as we send the first email from a prospect, we add that lead to HeyReach, and then we will send a connection request saying something like, hey, I sent you an email before, and this is how I can help your business. We automatically fetch the data daily from all the results, so from SmartLead and HeyReach, so we can analyze afterwards which industry is working better, which position is working better, which angle is working better, so we can afterwards really leverage on that data, and the user can create more form knowing what is working and which kind of filters is working better for the campaigns. So imagine someone had to do this for the volume you're sending. So we're starting with 10,000 emails per month, but as soon as we know what is working and what not, we're going to increase that volume by 2, 3, 4, 5x until we reach 100,000 emails per month, maybe 200,000 emails per month. Who knows? It depends really of the capacity of the SDR team the customer has. Imagine someone had to do like all this at scale annually, right? Imagine how much time that will take. Right now, this is done in seconds. Only someone submits a form, 30 seconds, they decide which industry they want to target for the week, and everything is launched. Also, take into account, because we're outreaching through 2 platforms, and we're using cold email and LinkedIn, that's the likelihood of having a response normally is like 7x. So then we think we're really gonna see an increase because of that. So yeah, and this is everything that I wanted to say. So right now we're gonna do this for 10,000 emails. Imagine you wanted to do that for 100,000 emails at scale, how much time that will take, right? I hope you liked the video.